Like attention in my life. Oh, let me state what happened. February 9th was the day of their inter-house sports. That was the day they were meant to have their inter-house sports. Anybody who knows Chrisland knows that Chrisland has their inter-house sports at Agege Stadium.
Hey, my people, this one na tori when dey hot mother be this. This tori na tori when dey hot parents, not only mother. Ha, life this life no balance. So my people, this life no balance. Wetin dey go on for Nigeria, my people? Wetin dey go on for that Nigeria? No security, nothing. Children go dey go school, mama and papa hearts will dey beat until their children come back from school, which is very bad. No security, nothing. This is so bad, my people. Una hear wetin happen to this woman daughter? E dey very bad. Hello my amazing people, welcome back again to my channel. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, according to your time, according to your location. I greet the house, I greet everybody. Welcome back to our channel, Commenters Analyzer. On this channel we dey analyze some comments. Sometimes we see the analyze video, sometimes we dey drop our own video, my people. Anyone can serve. You know, easy this country Nigeria. Our country Nigeria, so many things dey happen for that country. No security. You hear say this pikin go out, e no come back again. Imagine say pikin kpai for school. Mother even dey beg the teachers. I want to know what happened to her child. She wants to know what happened to her child. She wan know wetin happen to her pikin, wetin kpai her pikin. She no fit get answer. Even the so-called doctors for Nigeria, the doctor in question no fit bring answer come and say na this thing happen to this pikin when made this pikin kpai. Nigeria, God, you sure say that country go ever be country? You sure say that country go ever be good for us? We dey our country, we be slave. We go another man country, we be slave. What is going on, Nigeria? Wetin dey go on? So for una to provide wetin happen to this woman pikin now na big problem for una. Una no fit provide am say, madam, see wetin happen to your pikin. Una no fit come out boldly with the truth. So children go dey go school, mama go dey fear for house. Parents go dey fear say, my pikin go school, e never come back, which is very bad. Person go still send the pikin go school, she no go get rest of mind for house. Parents no go get rest of mind for her, say pikin go school. God, Nigeria, God, which day this our country go better? Which day this country go be country? I really feel sorry for this woman. I feel so sorry for her. It's so bad. The way our country be. That country not just be like country at all. It be like zone, not be country. Pikin go school na problem. You see some children for this abroad, they under medication, they go school, they are fine. They no dey sick, they under medication. Nigeria wey be say they no dey sick. Most children no dey sick. You hear say e don kpai, wetin happen? Doctor sef no go fit prove say see the main reason why this person die. Doctor no go fit prove am. Madam, make sure say you hold that doctor. Hold the doctor well, because the doctor know wetin happen to the pikin. Why doctor no fit talk wetin happen to pikin? As a doctor, you suppose know wetin happen to your patients when they carry come. How you can't be doctor if you cannot prove what happened to your patient? Nigeria, everything na bribe. Everything about that country na bribe. When they don't collect bribe, ilalobo. They no fit talk anything again. Please, my people, make una vote wisely. Make una vote wisely whether the country go fit be country again, whether our country go fit be country again, whether security go fit dey. Please, my people, let's vote wisely. Imagine this big school, popular school in Nigeria, chrisland school, whatever they call the school. No security, no camera for that school. Even though camera dey, they no agree bring am come out. Ha! It's so painful, wetin dey go on for our country. It's so painful. E dey very painful. Make dem close that school. Make dem close the school. Every time I complain about that school, e dey very bad. Say every day complain dey come out for that school. Every time. Year no go fit pass say complain no come out for that school. School wey complain for dey come out like that na demonic school. I'm sorry to say that. School wey be say complain dey come out like that na demonic school. You still send your pikin, you send am go private government school na problem. You send your pikin go private school na problem. For this abroad here, you go send small pikin of 1 year. If your pikin don get 1 year, if you get document and your pikin don reach 1 year, depends of your country when you dey, you don go start work. If na another thing you dey do, if na school, you don go back to your school. That 1 year baby go dey go school. Camera dey that school. They will help you take care of that baby well till you come back and pick your child. If na Nigeria, that means all our children for Nigeria don chop winch finish now. When 1 year old go dey school, they don pack winch give her, they don beat her anyhow. When e go reach house, e go dey sick. Nigeria, we need good security. No security, nothing. Abeg, my people, may we try vote wisely. Whether the country go even still let them repair again for us. We dey our country, we be slave. We go outside, we be slave. The way they take do us for Nigeria, even worst past the one wey dey outside. E dey very bad, E dey very bad. For this comment section, this person say she deserve an answer to what happened to her child. That is the only thing that we at least calm her down. This is so painful. Hoping that your child will be coming back home to you after school, only for this sad news to come. God, please heal this woman heart. Amen. And the other one can say, I could not control my tears watching my fellow woman go through pain like this. I am paid. God, in your mercy, console her. This took me back the very day I lost my lovely husband. God, please comfort her and the entire family. And the other person can say, this pain of a mother over her child mistreated, no band, just like her love. Please, ma, be strong, be courageous, and be calm. Let us take control. May her soul rest in peace. It's not easy. It's not easy. Her first daughter, she just lost her like that. Mama go dey, pikin go dey kpai. E dey very bad. It's not easy at all. We just pray, say God help her to control herself. And the other one can say, the pain of a mother over, okay. And the other person say, Chrisland school, what this woman is asking for should not be a big issue for you people to provide a good answer to her question. If that we weep her tears, ask the students on ground what happened and how it happened. Please help this woman. You may not understand what and how it feels like to lose a child of the age. If a child of the age, it has happened to me, not me, the person writing this, once, when even when mine was that old, but it is what I could never forget 15 years ago. Please, please and please help this family. And the other one can say, I could not control my tears. This is so sad. My fellow woman, please calm down, okay? God will see you through and console you. May her soul continue to rest. And this one say, it's high time that school should be shut down complete. But can be, that means this school and a very jeje school. Before commenters come dey talk like this, you know say this school no be better school at all. If you go through comment, you hear wetin commenters dey talk about this school. You know say the school na very yeye school. Maybe news don dey come out for this school. Parents, please, if you know say your children still dey this kind school, try remove your children, because they no dey show good example. If they dey show good example, commenters no go dey write this kind comments on comment section. If you know say your children, they are still in school, may God not let us hear another sad story from the school again. Try to remove your child for this kind school. This kind school no be school, so send your children and you go dey comfortable. My people, make una reason and make una balance am. As I dey post this my video, I go like put little of the comments, make una see wetin people drop for the comment section, to see say this school, many sad news don dey come out for this school. Please, my people, not fail to like and share this video, and also help me to follow this page if you never do that. God bless you all. See you all on our next video. Stay blessed.